Okay, Assalamualaikum. Okay, we are going to discuss about the formula that normally we apply for capital structure. Right? So as we know that there are two perspectives. Alright, the first one is what will be the capital structure, okay, for the world without taxes, and what will be the capital structure for the world with taxes. Alright, for the first part, okay, I'm going to share with you what will be the formula that you can apply, okay, in order to determine capital structure, okay, for world without taxes. Okay, so we have two scenarios here. The first one is for firm no debt. Means this firm will be financed fully by using equity. While on the other hand, we have firms with debt. Right? Means the second firm, they have mixed capital structure. Alright? Mixed structure. Alright. Based on the theory or hypothesis, alright, there are two propositions. Okay, so multiplying and the proposed two proposition. For proposition 1 is focusing on firm's value, while the proposition 2 is focusing on two elements, which are return on equity and also for weighted average cost of capital, or sometimes we call it cost of capital. Okay, so let's look at for the first proposition, which is proposition 1. Alright, so proposition 1 stated that firm's value does not affected by leverage. Okay, if you look at here, we have two scenarios. The first firm with no debt, whereas the other firm with debt. So regardless firm has debt or no debt, alright, firm's value will not be affected. Okay, so these are the formula, okay, that you can apply to determine firm's value, alright, under proposition 1. Okay, so basically firm's value, alright, which the symbol will be B, alright, equal to B stand for bond, which is debt, plus S, which is stock or share, which is representing equity. Alright, so we get one equation here, which is V equal to B plus S. Alright, so another formula that you can apply is V equal to EBIT, earning before interest and tax, divided by RO. So what is RO? RO is actually return on equity for the firm without debt. Means that firm is fully financed through equity. Right, 100% fully by equity. The third formula will be V, which is value, firm's value equal to EBIT divided by RWACC. So RWACC actually for weighted average cost of capital. So this formula also will be applied for the other side, okay, which is for firm with debt, because based on proposition 1, firm's value does not affected by leverage. So VL, which is V for firms with leverage, always equal to V for unlevered firm, which I put here. The symbol here is VU, stand for value unlevered firm. Okay, so whatever figure that you get it from this side will be always equal to the other side. Okay, next we go to proposition 2. Let's look at the first one. The first item is for cost of equity or return on equity. Okay, the symbol will be RS. Okay, so RS here always equal to RO for firm with no debt. Alright, because there's no debt. Alright, because return always associated with risk. Okay, no risk, no return. Alright, zero risk will be zero return. Okay, RS equal to RO. But for firm with debt, RS should be equal to RO plus B equal to S RO minus RB. Okay, I believe that you already know what is RS, return on equity. RO is return on equity for firms which no debt ataupun without debt. B stand for debt or bond. S is for equity. B means amount debt divided by amount equity. S. RO minus RB. RB here actually representing interest of debt or interest rate. Alright, for proposition 2, okay, claim that RS is positively related to leverage because risk increases with leverage. Higher risk will be higher return. Okay, so that's why for firm no debt, RS always equal to RO because RO is a return for firm without debt. Okay, so RS will be always equal to RO, but not for the firm with debt because higher debt means higher risk. Okay, and higher return. Alright. The second element under proposition 2 actually referring to weighted average cost of capital or WACC. So same goes to RWACC. In the case where firm no debt, RWACC also always equal to RO. Okay. However, for MN proposition 2, okay, the proposition proposed that, okay, RWACC is always equal to RO regardless of its capital structure. It doesn't matter whether the capital structure is 100% by using equity or by 100% by using debt, or is a mixed combination between debt and equity. Alright, RWACC is always equal to RO. Only for world without taxes. Okay, so there's condition here. This only happens in the world without taxes. So on the left side, RWACC equal to RO for firm no debt, and also for firm with debt, RWACC also equal to RO. Okay. Over here, there are another formula that you can use. Okay, if we want to calculate RWACC in the case where you are not being given what will be the RO value. Okay, so this is how you can calculate RWACC. Alright, the formula will be B divided by V, which is value, RB plus S divided by V times RS. Or you also can use RWACC equal to EBIT divided by V, which is firm's value. Alright, so I hope the explanations will be acceptable and understand by all. Alright, so because you need to apply to this formula in order to answer the calculation part. Okay, until we see again. Okay, thank you for watching.